Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Welcome to the future of Xiaomi tablets, the all-new Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. This isn't just another tablet, it's a game changer. From its stunning top-tier OLED display and ultra-slim design, to Xiaomi's powerful self-developed Xring 01 chip and a sleek floating keyboard that redefines productivity, the Pad 7 Ultra is packed with firsts. Stick around as we dive deep into everything that makes this Xiaomi's most revolutionary tablet yet. You won't want to miss this. Quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The packaging design remains unchanged for years, minimal effort there. Inside, you get a basic paper manual, not the greenest choice, a 45-watt Type-A charger, and a Type-A to Type-C cable. Simple and straightforward. Today, we're going hands-on with Xiaomi's first ultra-class tablet, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. While it's not their first 14-inch device, that title goes to the Pad 6 Max, this one brings the major upgrades users needed. It's significantly lighter and thinner, with a sleek 5.1mm profile, Xiaomi's thinnest device yet. The soft light version weighs about 619 grams, while the standard version is just 609 grams. Whether you're holding it or carrying it around, the reduced weight makes a big difference in comfort. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra maintains a premium feel with its sleek unibody metal design and hidden antenna lines. For those wanting a touch more flair, Xiaomi includes a limited edition latte art sticker, styled in the same font as the SU7 Ultra car, to highlight its ultra-class identity. Let's take a closer look at the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra, starting with its stunning 14-inch 3.2 OLED display, Xiaomi's most advanced tablet screen yet. It boasts a sharp 3.2K resolution with 275 ppi and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The OLED panel delivers exceptional brightness, with measured global brightness at 970 nits and HDR peak brightness exceeding 1700 nits, surpassing official claims. Add to that excellent color accuracy, and this display truly stands out for both video and audio experiences. The 14-inch OLED display on the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is finely tuned using CIE 2015 subjective curves, with dual-point calibration at 100 and 600 nits for consistent color accuracy in any lighting. A major perk of the OLED panel is the long-awaited always-on display, which activates with gaze detection or stays on when charging. For eye comfort, it features 4800 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming and holds triple 2V Rhineland certifications, making it easy on the eyes day or night. We always recommend using electronic devices in well-lit environments, but that often brings unwanted screen reflections. Thankfully, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra we're testing features a nano-soft matte display with AG anti-glare nano etching, significantly reducing reflections. To highlight the difference, we compared it to a glossy iPad Pro, and the contrast and anti-reflective performance is clear. Beyond visuals, the Pad 7 Ultra also impresses with sound. It packs an 8-speaker setup, 4 large woofers, and 4 mid-tweeters, delivering rich 4-channel stereo audio. Now let's jump into a real-world audio-visual comparison. Now let's talk performance. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is powered by the cutting-edge Xring 01 chip, a second-gen 3nm 10-core CPU with a dual-core X925 architecture, peaking at 3.7 GHz, and a 925-core GPU, featuring the latest G16 cores. In our Genshin Impact test, room temp 26 degrees Celsius, screen at 200 nits, max settings, the Pad 7 Ultra delivered an impressive average of 59.8 FPS, with power consumption around 8.2 watts. The Xring 01 chip proves it's more than capable of handling demanding games smoothly. Taking on the Honkai Star Rail test in the same conditions, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra averaged 59.1 FPS with a power draw of 11.4 watts. While the Xring 011 chip on this tablet has some limits on ultra-core frequency, it still outperformed the Xiaomi 15S Pro at both 1080p and 907.2p. The frame rate was not only higher, but also more stable thanks to the tablet's larger cooling area. Xiaomi has clearly pushed the Xring 01 to its full potential here, delivering flagship-level performance with efficient thermal control. It's a strong showcase of Xiaomi's in-house SoC capabilities. In our charging and battery test, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra's 12,000 mAh battery reached 75% in just 30 minutes and hit 100% in 50 minutes using 120-watt fast charging. After 3 hours of mixed daily use and gaming, it still had 63% battery left. impressive endurance. Now let's move on to productivity, a key focus for any tablet. Let's break it down by hardware and software. While some may not love the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra's notch display, it houses a 32-megapixel front camera designed for video calls. It supports smart framing to keep you centered, and with 4-in-1 pixel binning, it captures more light in low-light settings, delivering clearer, brighter video. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra offers a magnetic inductive hover keyboard that connects seamlessly via metal contacts. It supports smooth angle adjustment from 0 degrees to 124 degrees with sturdy, well-damped hinges that feel secure. The keyboard features a magnesium alloy build, matching the tablet's premium texture for a cohesive look. It's a full-size backlit keyboard with crisp typing and a global touchpad that includes tactile vibration feedback, a true productivity companion. Here are 3 standout PC-level productivity features of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. 1. Full support for PC-grade WPS file formats, ensuring seamless document viewing and editing. 2. Workbench mode, which opens all apps in resizable windows, up to 4 at once, for a true multitasking PC-like experience. 3. Wireless secondary screen support, allowing you to use the OLED display as an extended monitor for your Mac via screen mirroring. With features like these, your next iPad might just be a Mi Pad. In summary, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra marks a new era for Xiaomi tablets. It's the first to carry the Ultra badge, feature a top-tier OLED display with high brightness and slim bezels, and run on Xiaomi's self-developed Xring 01 SoC. Plus, it introduces a sleek, practical floating keyboard. From design to performance, the Pad 7 Ultra is Xiaomi's most groundbreaking tablet to date. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra base model starts at 5,699 CNY in China, approximately 586 pounds in the UK, and $791 in the US. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching, have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Sleepless nights and headache stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.